Welcome back to video 4 with Aginity Pro using My Catalog. One of the nice features of Aginity Pro is the My Catalog over in the left-hand navigation pane. The My Catalog allows you to save individual queries or sets of queries and quickly at your fingertips reuse them within the query pane. I'm going to start out by showing you how to write queries and then save them to My Catalog. So in this particular window, my first catalog query, I have a set of SQL statements which is producing an aggregate at a geographic level that's combining both in-store purchase behavior and online click behavior. Maybe I'm trying to do promotional work for a certain line of products, and I want to see how people are interacting online versus purchasing in store. And it may require fairly complicated logic, and I may have spent 2 to 3 hours doing this. So in this particular case, I have a couple of temporary tables, X and Y, that get created. I then finally stitch this together for the geographic location, and I display total items sold, number of store visits, the amount purchased, the distinct number of items in the basket, and then the number of categories browsed, time on page, and number of clicks. Again, stitched together at a geographic level. So I've spent a bunch of time on this, and I want to make sure that this query is available for reuse at a later time. The easiest way for me to do this is I will Control-A or select all on the page, and as soon as I do that, I can say Save Selection to the catalog. When I do that, I can give it a name, my first sales aggregate, and I can put it in a certain directory. In this particular case, I'm going to put it into the Demonstration Queries directory, and I'm going to hit Create. When I do that, what you will see is under the Demonstration Queries directory, I'll have my first sales aggregate. The second thing I want to show you is how to use things within the catalog. Okay? So by doing that, I'm going to go to a second query that I've already written, which is the Event Product Feature Usage for Aginity Pro. And I know it's under a folder in here called Aginity Product Feature Usage. And I'm going to right-click on it and say Preview. When I do that, you can see that the SQL statement that I've used to produce a feature summary is here, and I'm going to say Create New Tab. When I create that new tab, it will bring in that complete SQL statement here, and from here, all I need to do is select my connection, select the database I want to run against, and hit my Execute button. By doing that, I've saved myself a ton of time, and it's been very nice to keep all of my queries organized here in the left-hand pane. The last thing I'll leave you with here in the My Catalog is if you're going to create new entries, you can click under My Catalog, type on New Folder, and you can add folders such as Sample Folder. And the nice thing is this is nested, so I can add a new folder called Subfolder underneath there. From here as well, I can add in direct queries, so if I just want to cut and paste SQL, I can do that as well by saying New Entry, and it's already there, or I can move it to any other directory. Thank you for watching.